Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel Dish Network subscription, beginner guide step by step clearly. To cancel your Dish Network subscription, start by gathering your account information. Visit the Dish Network website or find their customer service number. Log into your Dish Network account using your username and password if you're using the website. If you've forgotten your login details, follow the prompts to recover your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Settings or My Account section. Look for the option related to subscription management or cancellation. Carefully review the cancellation policy provided by Dish Network. If you prefer to cancel over the phone, call the customer service number. When you reach a representative, provide them with your account details for verification. Clearly state your intention to cancel the subscription. Ask about any potential cancellation fees or remaining balances. Inquire about the confirmation process and how you will receive it. If you have any equipment to return, ask for instructions on how to do so. After your cancellation request is processed, monitor your account for confirmation. Double-check that any final charges have been addressed. Keep your cancellation confirmation for your records. You have now successfully canceled your Dish Network subscription. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.